We will guide you through how to use custom templates in 𝗧𝗛𝗏 for Confluence. Quick disclaimer, skipping a single step will affect your final result, so you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, launch Google Chrome or any web browser of your choice, and make sure the browser is open and ready before continuing. Go to atlassian.com/software/Confluence and wait for the Confluence website to load completely before proceeding. Click the settings icon in the top right corner, click configuration to expand the menu and display the available configuration settings. Select global templates and blueprints to open the section where you can manage templates available across your Confluence workspace. Click Add Global Template to begin creating a new custom template. Enter a title for the template according to your needs. Click anywhere on the next line and type /draw.io to display the available draw.io macro options. Select draw.io diagram from the search results to insert a diagram into the custom template. Choose a diagram template according to your needs. Click Create to generate the selected diagram and add it to the template. Click Save to save the custom template with the configured draw.io diagram. You have now successfully created a custom template that includes a draw.io diagram. To use the custom template, click the Create button at the top to open the available page creation options. Select Page to create a new Confluence page using a template. Enter a page title according to your needs, making sure the title clearly identifies the purpose or content of the new page. Click All Templates to display all available templates in the template selection window. Select Custom to display your custom templates, and select the template that you created previously to apply its predefined structure and draw.io diagram to the new page. You have now successfully used a custom template in draw.io for Confluence.